Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a cozy corner gingerbread style. Come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Cozy Corner or Vignette, and this is being hosted by Design with Emma and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have a theme and it's styling for Christmas, and the special guest today is Jean Home Decor and more. Now I do have a couple of beautiful co-hosts, so let me mention them. Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Debbie Bubbles, May's Design Corner, and Dream with Caroline. All right, so I am absolutely loving this gingerbread theme. So this corner here is going to look absolutely amazing. Now I'm making sure that this cozy corner here does have a coffee pot over to the right hand side, and this is the beautiful teapot. I love this teapot. And we have these beautiful mugs. They're leaf mugs and I am loving it. So we're going to push that over there, over to the side, and now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music so we can finish this off, and I'll see you before the reveal. So doesn't this area look absolutely amazing? I hope you agree. So we lit the candle. Let's head on over to the reveal. So I am loving how this turned out. So inviting, so fun, and I love gingerbread. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.